What do top 1% realtors do when they're receiving referrals? This is a automation that you can easily integrate in your business right now that I call the top 1% realtor referral system. It's based on what I know of how top agents are following up with the clients as they receive referrals. A portion of this is automated and the other portion is semi-automated, which means the drafts are being built for you so you can have them ready to go when you receive the lead from the other agent. Keep in mind this is a step after you have signed documents with your referral partner that has agreeing on the commission. But this starts with the Google Forms. This is all tools that are available to you if you have a Google Workspace or a Office 365. There's alternatives also that are similar to this, and there's other tools you can use that are similar to this. It's fantastic. Say, for example, my referral partner, his name is Tarek, and his email is and the phone number, simple, RE by Tarek, brother. He's going to refer me his brother, and the client is and this is great because this is one of the easy wins part of this automation is as they're sending you the referral, they tell you how do they prefer to communicate, and then they tell you where they are in the home buying process. For example, they prefer email, they're already pre-approved, and then you're asking them if they have the client's permission to share their information, right? Because if they don't, I'm referring that person and it's just like a surprise, that lets them, before they submit this form, they go back to their client, let them know that there's somebody going to reach out to them about this. And then you agree to allow follow-up communication regarding this referral means that Tarek, the agent, is okay with me connecting with him to ask him questions as follow-up if there's issues with the current client. Submit. So now I have a submission on my Google Forms. So what happens here is that the form is submitted and we are connected to the database. I'm putting here as Google Sheets as your database, but we can put whatever CRM you're using. And then there's an automatic thank you email being sent out to the client and to the agent that's referring. And then there's 3 emails that are pre-drafted for me in my email. And I'll show you how that looks like. Here's the thank you for the referral, right? And then you go to the drafts here, you get the welcome to the client, a introduction to the mortgage broker, an introduction to the attorney, Melissa Lee. This is fantastic. This is a great way to make sure that the client is taken care of. All the work is done for you, so you don't have to think about where are these templates, how I'm supposed to do the referral. You're setting up the client for success early on by having all of these emails set up. In the welcome email, there's a calendar link there that I included, and that allows you to make sure the client is starting on the right foot and to demonstrate that you have everything ready and good to go for that high-level communication with them as a top agent. If you want this template, please comment below template, and I'll share it with you, and I'll share all the scripts that are here. If you want me to help you build one of these for your business and your workflow, happy to do that. I'm helping currently top agents with this to make sure that they are getting the most out of their business.